If anyone ever stole a package from your porch or broke into your car while it was in your driveway, the perpetrator likely disappeared long before you even knew you were a victim. You also likely never found out who committed the deed. If this sounds familiar, you should consider investing in an outdoor security camera. Today, we'll look at the 5 best outdoor security camera systems for your home. These rugged, smart home devices are designed to withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, and typically connect to your home Wi-Fi network and allow you to view live video footage of activities occurring outside your home. They can also send an alert to your phone when someone or something is out there, record a video of the event, and let you speak with whoever's on your property, all without requiring you to open your door or even be inside your house. The camera at number 1 can send security guards to your house when there's a sign of an intruder. So keep watching to find out more about these cameras. Number 5. Wyze Cam V3 Pro. Starting our list is the Wyze Cam V3 Pro. You would not believe that this amazing piece of technology cost way less than some subscription services. For an unbelievable price of $50, the Wyze Cam V3 Pro is yours. It's the cheapest camera on our list. We're even considering getting one. That's how good and effective it is. The Wyze Cam V3 Pro is the best home security camera for those on a budget. It can record video at a 2K resolution and has a small 80-lumen spotlight, as well as a built-in siren and new capabilities such as Smart Focus, which gives you a better look at anything moving in the frame, making it clear enough to see who's there on your front porch. Its color night vision is especially impressive. The Cam V3 Pro can even record video when it detects sound, including crying, barking, and meowing, or motion, and stores it locally on an SD card, though you have to supply the storage. For a person, pet, package, and vehicle detection, you have to upgrade to the $1.67 per month Cam Plus plan that covers a single camera. This tier also unlocks video recordings of unlimited length with no delay, 2x and 4x fast forwarding, and access to live and recorded video via the Wyze WebView interface. It also supports Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, as well as numerous third-party devices via IFTTT. The Wyze Cam V3 might be on Amazon, but the Pro version might not be on Amazon. The only way to get it for yourself is from their website. The link is in the description below. Number 4. Google Nest Cam. The well-designed Nest Cam has a simple shape and is one of the easiest home security cameras to install thanks to its magnetic base. It's weatherproof, so it can be mounted just about anywhere outside. Its 1080p camera captures sharp images day and night, and its microphone and speaker make a two-way conversation a breeze. The Nest Cam also offers 3 hours of rolling video storage for free, as well as person, vehicle, and animal detection. If you sign up for a Nest Aware subscription starting at $6 per month, you also get familiar face detection, as well as the ability to store up to a month's worth of video. However, while it has good battery life, Nest does not make any accessories to extend it, such as a removable battery or a solar panel. For $157 on Amazon, the Google Nest Cam with a battery inside could keep your home more secure. Number 3. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. Sharp 2K video, wireless installation, and a generous feature set make the battery-powered Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight one of our top picks. In addition to working with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit, the camera can interact with lots of third-party devices via IFTTT. It delivers sharp, colorful video during both day and night, as well as provided accurate motion alerts. The camera uses a 4-megapixel sensor and HDR technology to capture video at 2K resolution. It has a 160-degree field of view and 12x digital zoom, and it uses 2 infrared LEDs for black and white night vision. There's also an embedded motion-enabled spotlight that provides color night vision, a noise-canceling microphone, a speaker, and an 80-decibel siren for scaring off unwanted visitors. The camera offers auto zoom and motion tracking capabilities and is equipped with a motion sensor with a 130-degree range. While the Pro 4 will record video when motion is detected, you'll have to subscribe to the Arlo Premier Smart Plan to access it, which goes for $299 per month. For that amount, you get 30 days of video history, 2K recording, advanced object and package detection, cloud-based activity zones, and intelligent alerts for a single camera. For $999 per month, you get the same features for up to 5 cameras. This is a smart choice for anyone who wants a wire-free outdoor camera that does it all. You get this amazing piece of tech on Amazon for a budget price of $158. Now that we're halfway down the list, we just want to take a moment to remind you to hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on helpful and informative content like this. Also, give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button to let us know you like content like this. Alright, back to number 2. Lorex 4K Spotlight Indoor-Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 Security Camera. The Lorex 4K Spotlight camera is fairly expensive, but you get a lot of cool and functional features for your buck. It uses an 8-megapixel sensor to deliver high-resolution 4K video and offers intelligent motion and sound detection alerts. It also comes with a 32GB micro SD card for storing event-triggered video locally, which means you don't have to pay for cloud storage, unlike most cameras on this list. Color night vision capabilities, built-in warning lights, and a fairly loud siren round out this all-in-one package. If you require an ultra-high-resolution camera to monitor your property, this one is a solid bet. It's easy to install, connects to your network via dual-band Wi-Fi, and can even stream video to Amazon Echo Show and Google Hub displays using Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. It's currently going for $231 on Amazon, and like we said earlier, it's worth every penny. Number 1. Deep Sentinel Starter 3-Cam Kit. And number 1 is the one and only Deep Sentinel. Deep Sentinel is the first camera company we've seen that offers 24/7 monitoring using specially trained security guards who will intervene when they spot suspicious activity taking place on your property. Yes, they will send security guards to your home to stop any suspicious activity from taking place. The $699 Deep Sentinel Starter 3-Cam Kit doesn't come cheap, and its $100 per month professional monitoring fee is easily the most expensive service we've come across. But if you require real-time live remote monitoring from a smart DIY outdoor security camera system, Deep Sentinel is the only game in town. The wireless cameras have a 100-foot wireless range to the hub, capture video at 1080p, and have a 130-degree field of view. They also have a 104 decibel siren and a built-in LED light ring that spins red when the AI hub detects a potential threat to your security. The cameras are powered by a rechargeable battery pack rated to last up to 9 months before requiring a charge, and they contain a speaker and microphone allowing for two-way audio communication between the live agent and whoever's in front of the camera. The Deep Sentinel kit is ideal for people who spend a lot of time away from home and require constant surveillance on and around their property. It isn't cheap, but the battery-powered cameras are very easy to install and connect to a hub that links everything together. The system stores recordings locally and in the cloud, and you can access them via a user-friendly mobile app. The only downside is that it lacks Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice support, and it doesn't interact with other smart devices. Just as with the Wyze Cam, it can be hard for you to find this tech on Amazon, so your best bet is to go to their website directly and buy from them. Link in the description below. You can get all the cameras listed in this video on Amazon, which, frankly speaking, is one of the best places to get these products. The link to each product is posted in the description below, so go ahead and click the link and get one. And believe us, your home will be ever more secure. If you're into informative videos like this one, check out this video on the best synthetic motor oil now. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on videos like this. Let us know what you think about our list in the comment section below.